So, Mike Tyson, peekaboo style. Everyone wants to be Mike Tyson. Peekaboo style, Patterson, Torres, others used it. Tyson embodied it. It suited him particularly because of his size. Small guy, fighting taller heavyweights, long reach, slower guys. He's looking to get inside and to work quickly and to stay evasive. Movement. So, peekaboo suits him perfectly. He's got that high guard to protect him that he peeks through. He's got all of this upper body movement, that peekaboo upper body movement. So he's avoiding those long straight punches, the bigger guys, and he's looking for opportunities to get inside. Once he's inside, he goes to work, whoosh, working the body, working the head, but he's got to move, he's got to stay moving, because movement and speed are his advantages in this dynamic. So once he's inside, he's then whoosh, he's taking a shot and he's moving and he's shoot, he's moving, shoot, moving, back out. Bam, 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 boom. So it's kind of a drawing an attack to exploit the vulnerabilities that then present themselves when somebody's attacked, or getting inside into a range where that person can no longer work the way that you can work in that range, and that suits Tyson perfectly. You see peekaboo with people like Torres, it's slightly different because Torres fighting guys similar size, so he's using peekaboo in a slightly different way, kind of more of a rangy, aggressive entrance technique. And then when he's inside, the thing to note about Tyson's style is it's incredibly hard work. That upper body movement, that constant upper body movement, and the footwork movement, the constant boom, 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 out, move, boom. You know, it's all good. It's all good boxing, but the extent to which you do that with peekaboo, you know, it's top level. The movement, the motion is incredibly physically draining. Very difficult to keep that up. So that's something to bear in mind if you're wanting to emulate the style of Tyson. Is it going to pay off for you in the way it pays off for Tyson? Is that dynamic right for you? Are you prepared to put in the amount of effort it's going to take you to work on that peekaboo style?